Welcome to our culinary journey through South Africa. Today, we're embarking on an adventure that will tantalize your taste buds and open your eyes to the rich and diverse flavors of this incredible country. You lot think you know food, yeah? Well, think again. South Africa's culinary scene is a melting pot of cultures, traditions, and flavors that you won't find anywhere else in the world. Think you've tasted it all? From the spicy and savory to the sweet and tangy, South African cuisine offers a unique blend of tastes that will leave you craving for more. Well, get ready to have your taste buds blown because today, we're diving headfirst into the heart of South African cuisine. We're not just talking about food, we're talking about an experience that connects you to the soul of this beautiful land. We're exploring the 12 most authentic foods you absolutely must try. Each dish tells a story, a tale of heritage, and a celebration of the vibrant culture that makes South Africa so special. These dishes, they're not just recipes, they're a bloody history lesson, a cultural explosion, and a damn good time all rolled into one. From the iconic Bobotie to the mouth-watering Biltong, every bite is a journey through time and tradition. So buckle up, you melons, and get ready to eat. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure that will take us from the bustling markets of Johannesburg to the serene vineyards of Cape Town. Along the way, we'll meet passionate chefs, discover secret family recipes, and uncover the stories behind each dish. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or just someone who loves a good meal, this journey through South Africa's food paradise is sure to leave you inspired and hungry for more. So grab your fork, loosen your belt, and let's dig in. From the rich, hearty stews to the fresh, vibrant salads, South African cuisine is a celebration of the land and its people. Each dish is a testament to the country's diverse heritage and the creativity of its chefs. And let's not forget the desserts. South Africa's sweet treats are the perfect way to end any meal. From the creamy malva pudding to the delicate Koeksisters, there's something to satisfy every sweet tooth. So, whether you're here for the food, the culture, or just the adventure, South Africa's food paradise has something for everyone. Let's raise a glass to good food, great company, and the unforgettable flavors of South Africa. First up, we've got Bobotie. This isn't just any dish, it's a cornerstone of South African cuisine, a true culinary gem that has stood the test of time. This isn't some poncy little casserole, no, this is the real deal. Bobotie is a dish that brings families together, a meal that tells a story with every bite. Minced meat, spiced just right, and topped with a creamy egg custard. The spices are a blend of sweet and savory, with hints of curry, turmeric, and sometimes even a touch of fruit chutney to balance the flavors. You see that golden crust? That's the sign of a Bobotie done right. It's the perfect combination of textures, the soft, flavorful meat underneath, and the slightly crispy, creamy topping. This dish, it's been passed down through generations, a true taste of South African history. Each family has its own twist on the recipe, but the essence remains the same, a celebration of heritage and tradition. One bite and you'll be transported back to the Cape Malay kitchens where it all began. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. And the taste? Simply unforgettable. Don't even think about asking for ketchup, you donkey. This dish is perfect as it is, a masterpiece that needs no embellishment. So grab a fork, dig in, and savor the flavors of South Africa. Next, we're tackling Biltong. Forget your fancy jerky, this is the king of dried meat. We're talking about thick cuts of beef, seasoned with coriander and spices, air-dried to perfection. It's chewy, it's flavorful, and it'll have you sweating like a pig in a sauna. But trust me, it's worth every bloody bead. This is a snack for adventurers, for explorers, for people who appreciate a good, honest piece of meat. Now let's talk Boerewors. This isn't your average sausage, mate. This is a coiled masterpiece packed with spices like coriander, cloves, and nutmeg. It's juicy, it's flavorful, and it's best enjoyed grilled to perfection over an open fire. You'll smell it before you see it, that smoky aroma drawing you in like a moth to a flame. One bite and you'll understand why this is a South African institution. Hold on to your hats because we're heading to Durban for Bunny Chow. No, there's no rabbit involved, you muppet. This is a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled to the brim with a curry that'll blow your socks off. It's messy, it's delicious, and it's the ultimate street food experience. Get it from a street vendor in Durban. That's where the real magic happens. Next up, we've got Chakalaka. This is a vegetable relish with a kick, a symphony of flavors that'll wake up your taste buds. Tomatoes, onions, peppers, all cooked down with a touch of chili and ginger. It's the perfect accompaniment to any South African meal, adding a burst of flavor and a touch of heat. Now, for a little something sweet. Koeksisters, these are like donuts on steroids. Deep-fried dough, drenched in syrup, and sprinkled with coconut. They're sticky, they're sweet, and they're utterly addictive. One bite and you'll be hooked. Just try not to make a mess, you clumsy sod. Next, we're indulging in malva pudding. This is a steamed sponge pudding, drenched in a creamy, buttery sauce. It's rich, it's decadent, and it'll send you straight to dessert heaven. This is the kind of pudding that'll make you want to lick the plate clean. Don't worry, we won't judge. Now, for a true South African classic, Melktert. This milk tart is a national treasure, a creamy custard tart with a sprinkle of cinnamon. It's the kind of dessert that brings back childhood memories, the taste of home. You'll find it in bakeries and homes across the country, a testament to its enduring popularity. Let's get down to business with Potjiekos. This is more than just a stew, it's a way of life. Meat and vegetables, slow cooked to perfection in a three-legged pot over an open fire. The flavors meld together, creating a symphony of taste that'll have you begging for more. This is a dish best enjoyed with friends and family, gathered around the fire, sharing stories and laughter. Chapter 10. Sosaties, Skewered Savory Sensations. Next up, we've got Sosaties. These are skewers of marinated meat grilled to perfection. Lamb, beef, chicken, you name it, it can be made into a sosati. The marinade is key here, infusing the meat with flavor and ensuring it's tender and juicy. These are perfect for a braai, the South African version of a barbecue. Chapter 11. Umkusho, a taste of tradition. Now, for something truly special, umkusho. This is a dish with deep roots in South African culture, a staple food made from samp and beans. It's hearty, it's flavorful, and it's a true taste of tradition. This is a dish that tells a story, a reminder of South Africa's rich history and heritage. Chapter 12. Vetkoek, deep-fried deliciousness. Finally, we come to vetkoek. These are deep-fried dough balls, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. They can be enjoyed sweet or savory, filled with anything from curried mince to jam and cheese. This is a dish that's sure to please everyone, a true taste of South African comfort food. Well, there you have it, you lot. South Africa is a land of diverse cultures and rich history, and its cuisine is a true reflection of that. 12 of the most delicious and authentic South African dishes that'll have your taste buds singing. From the spicy and flavorful Cape Malay curries to the hearty and comforting stews, each dish tells a story of its own. From the savory Bobotie, a delightful blend of minced meat and spices topped with a creamy egg custard, to the sweet Koeksisters, twisted dough soaked in syrup, there's something for everyone in this culinary paradise. Imagine the burst of flavors with each bite, transporting you straight to the heart of South Africa. And let's not forget the vibrant street food scene. Picture yourself wandering through bustling markets, the air filled with the aroma of freshly grilled Boerewors sausages and the sizzle of vetkoek frying. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself to South Africa and start exploring. Whether you're dining at a high-end restaurant or enjoying a traditional meal with locals, the sense of community and warmth is palpable. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey through South Africa. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. We have so much more to share with you, from hidden gems to popular favorites. Let us know in the comments which South African dish you're most excited to try. Is it the rich and creamy malva pudding or perhaps the tangy and spicy chakalaka? We can't wait to hear from you.